Yep, got this pretty awesome globe right here. I hope you guys don't mind the rain. Pretty straight. I think I can stall on it. 2/4 with this angle line. I'm nowhere near done. I still want to add in here all the wood to be something other than wood, a finished wood. This setup would easily be no less than 700. Then again, it'd be seamless. You wouldn't see screws. I have been looking for a setup, plaza, a little skate park, but all on the internet, they're like 500, 700, a couple hundred for a couple ramps. So I said, I'm gonna make it. This is like the first official setup I've had. And it's pretty dope. 11 or 12 inches high, 28 inches long. This right here is my prized possession. I don't know what made me think of this. I know for a fact I've always wanted something with a roll or hill. Like at a skate park, nipples are so fun. You power slide over them, you can jump over them, 180 over them, 360 them. You get so much speed if you hit it right. Nipples are what this derived from. And I can just blast over this thing. And I'm slamming down on purpose. Kickflip. Oh! And then dope power slide. Like this bench, marble bench right here in this rail. And both of these simultaneously, you can transfer on or off. Now this one I have put in place, but this one still I can move around. These are set. This whole thing's bolted in here. These are set, screwed in here, I should say. Let me show you here. You can hit up and then pop. This was coping. It sounds amazing. For grinding and trying to do tricks, I was just getting caught on the diamond plating, trying to do tricks like, This ramp, I haven't seen anybody with something like this. Not in the middle of like a street setup, you know, it's like a plaza, bro. Guys, if you know a way I can make this seamless, it's really rough getting up there. Like, I can pop onto it like a true thug. In a line, bro, I just eat it every time. So I put these little pads here. They're little steel plates. And they make it a lot better. Butter! This is the vert ramp, solid. So super solid. You can go up like backtail and then pop back in. I may put some coping on that. I don't know. Hit me up in the comments down below what I should put on the edge of this. Something's gonna go right here, but I'm not gonna let you know yet. Just stay tuned and find out. I think I'm gonna have this set up for a while like this because there's so many tricks. I've just shout out LowPro board all the way in Portugal. Blackriver, Black Velvet, Redemption for their abstract wheels, the squeakity squeakers. I thought these were gonna help with my board flying off because we're up here, bro. I'm like 60 something inches off the ground. I'm 6'3". I thought these were gonna help. No, it just rolls off anyway. It's my trick for the day. Switch blunt, nollie flip in. Switch blunt, nollie flip in. Slop. See, that's one thing I had to learn about fingerboarding. When you want to land something, you always don't land it the way you want, baby. There we go.